Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another sprinkler tech tip video. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and today I have for you some Hunter PCN bubbler nozzles. Whoop, there we go. And this is an unopened bag that I have here that I'm gonna keep unopened so we can put it back on the shelf. And there's 25 in here, so if you order a bag, you get 25. But I do have a bunch of free floating nozzles to show you. This one I'm holding here, you can see has three openings. This is what would be maybe referred to as the quarter spray nozzle or quarter bubbler nozzle. And this is a quarter gallon, 0.25. And then this yellow one here is the full umbrella pattern. So water comes out in all sides on this nozzle. And just like any other standard nozzle, either from Hunter, Rainbow, Toro, etc., they come with a screen. And what you're gonna do is put the screen underneath the nozzle when it goes into the sprinkler. So what I have here, I've reversed the spring on this Pro Spray for demonstration purposes. And you can, what I'll do is take it off here. Let's undo the nozzle, and then there's the screen. So the screen will float or fit right into the riser, just like a typical spray nozzle. And then you'll put the bubbler on. And these bubblers come in a variety of patterns. Let's go ahead and flip around. You know, here it is on our website, and we have a different page for every nozzle. So what I'm gonna do is just quickly jump over here to Hunter so you can see the multi-stream, what the multi-stream looks like. And again, the multi-stream comes in quarter, half, and full configurations. And then it comes in what you might kind of think of as matched precipitation rate nozzles. So if you look here, there's a quarter, 1/4 gallon per minute. And on the full, or on the half, you can get, it comes in a 1/2 gallon per minute, because of course you want them to be putting out the same amount of water or same precipitation rate, regardless of a quarter, half, and full. And so you have sort of a small and a large version, you know, based on the distance that you're trying to cover. And keep in mind that the water will spread in the soil. So even if it's only putting out a radius of 1 foot, it's likely that water can move laterally through the capillary action of the soil to be probably twice that far. So you've got the multi-stream versions, and then you have what's referred to as the umbrella version, which is sort of that full circle or full umbrella. Yeah, there it is, either umbrella or trickle, but it's in that full circle pattern. So let's jump back over here. Awesome. So yeah, they're pretty simple. They come in packs of 25. And if we can help you with your Hunter drip system or Rainbow drip system, Toro, etc., feel free to reach out to us. We're available by chat, email, and phone. And until the next tech tip, happy sprinkling, and we'll talk to you then.